Hey, it's Bess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a decoupage jewelry dish. First of all, please prepare following materials. You will need some shells. You can collect them after enjoying some delicious scallops, or you can also purchase them online. Last, and most importantly, prepare your glue, a basket for the shelf surface, and a top coat to secure the napkin. Prepare 3 nylon brushes. Since glue is not easy to wash out, don't use your expensive brushes. You will also need a pair of scissors, some gold-colored acrylic paint, plastic pearls for decoration, and patterned napkins. Let's get started. Cut up pieces of napkin that fits nicely onto the shell. Next, take your basket and apply a thin layer over the shell, making sure to cover the edges as well. When it's down, you can cover the shell with the napkin. Make sure it's in a nice position before you press it down. Gently press it down from the center, then smooth it out towards the edge. If napkin isn't sticking properly, just add a bit more glue to any gaps you may have mixed. Next, turn it upside down and trim off the extra edges. Use a thin brush to paint a gold edge around the shell. This helps the edges look neat and adds a luxury touch. We are almost done. Now, glue the plastic pearls onto the shell. For this step, you might want to use a strong glue or a hot glue gun for better hold. For the final step, apply a layer of top coat to seal everything and make it waterproof. Make sure the glue layer isn't too thick on the surface, or it could turn white. When it's down, you can use a hairdryer to speed out the drying, or just leave it for at least 10 to 20 minutes. So what do you think? Pretty easy, isn't it? Comment below and let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. And I will see you next time. Bye.